Okay, good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss nested list. So a list inside another list is called nested list. So first of all, I am going to start the coding. HTML head title Okay, students, suppose I want to make a list of different states of India, like Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, and inside that I want to create the list of cities. So look at here. First I type here H1, align equal to center, states of India, and then I close H1. Now I'm going to start an order list. So I use here OL type equal to small I. So it will display the result in a Roman letter, Roman 1, 2, 3. First I take here LI. LI stand for list item, and I take here Punjab. Then I close Li because Li is an empty tag, so we will have to close this. Otherwise, without closing this, we can ignore this. But for a better formatting, we should close this. Now, after that, we start another unordered list. In this unordered list, I take type equal to circle, and then I'm giving indentation for your better understanding of the concept. I take here Jalandhar, then Li close, then I take here then I take another Li, then I close nested list UL. So look at here, I'm not closing the main list, I am just closing the unordered list, the nested list. After that, the main list will continue as it is. Li, suppose it is, I'm taking here uh, here is, I take Uttar Pradesh. So inside this, I'm going to start unordered list type equal to square. and then I take li Noida, then I close li. I close main the unordered list, nested list, and then I close main list, that is OL. After that, I close body tag and then HTML tag. I'm saving the file. In desktop with name list.html. So look at here. I open list.html file. So look at here. The main list, that is Punjab, UP, and the nested list Jalandhar, Amritsar, Ludhiana. This is a nested list. Again, Noida and Agra. This is again nested list, but there is one problem. The bullets are same. Because I'm using here type, so that's why I'm saving this. So look at here. So in case I'm not giving any type, in the case of UL list, if I am not giving any type, it will be circle, and in case I am taking here type is disk. So look at here, difference between circle and disk is in circle there is no any color fill, but in the case of disk there is a color fill. Students, any doubt in this? Yes, Harjot, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So if you have any doubt, you can raise your hands. There are, remember one thing, in the case of your list, it is a organized way of displaying contents. Lists are of three types: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. In ordered list, it is also called numbered list. In this, there is a sequence, there is a proper sequence. The type may be small, I means small Roman. You can take here capital I for capital Roman. Look at here. You can also take here capital A for capital alphabet. We can also take here small a for small alphabets. And by default, it is number. So I'm taking here 1. It display 1 and 2. Even then, if I ignore this, I'm not using type attribute. Even then, it will take digits, numeric values. So this is all about order list. Order list has another attribute that is called start. So you will have to give here start equal to, in numeric you will give the value 3. it means it will start from C because third character is C. So look at your C and D. Now next is in the case of your unordered list. So unordered list is also called a bulleted list. Here we declare bullets, and in order list and unordered list, the nested attribute is called LI. It stands for list item. So it is a container tag. It is not an empty tag. It is a container tag. And in the case of UL, there is only one attribute, that is type. In type, you can give circle, square, and disk. By default, it is always circle. So this is all about list. This is called ordered and unordered list. And this is an example of which one? Nested list. So now I am again going to discuss another example. Another example, look at here. I take first unordered list UL. Then I take type is equal to disk. There is no any start attribute of UL tag. Then AL I take here. This example is in page number 130 in your book, Twitter. If you Indian states, and after that I take again unordered list, but type is circle. In LI I take here Jharkhand, then Uttaranchal, then Chhattisgarh, and then UL tag closed, and the main list still continue, and I take here two other states. Then I again start unordered list, type is equal to circle, then LI West Bengal, and Karnataka. So the main list, the nested list closed, and the main list is closed. I'm saving this. I open the list one at .html file. So look at here. This is the result. So students, if you have any doubt in this, please discuss with me. Raghav.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this nested list?
No, sir.
Okay, beta.
Clear.
Okay, beta. Now, we can also make any definition list as a part of a nested list. Suppose in this, I'm continue this here. I take again li, and in the case of main list, I am taking here li, and then I take here definition lists. I close li. So for definition list, so you will have to take the tag DL. DL stand for definition list. And after that, I take DT, definition term. So here we will give the heading of the definition, and after that we will use it DD, definition description. In description you will give the complete definition, but in DT you will give the title. So suppose I'm taking here any example like NSF. Both here DT is an empty tag, and I take here DD, again it is an empty tag. So here I will give the definition. It stands for National Science Foundation. I am repeating this line again and again in order to make a definition of few lines. And after that, second definition, ARPANET, again DD, I'm copying this line and pasting it again and again in order to make multiple lines. And at the end, we will close DL, definition list DL. So I'm copying this, and in browser, look at here. This is definition list. Karthik, it is clear?
Yes, sir, clear है.
Okay, beta, Karthik, tell me, there is a one attribute of tag DL. DL tag has one attribute. Which tag? Which attribute, beta? Quickly, Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Attribute of a DL tag.
Sir, पता नहीं.
So look at here. There is a one attribute of DL tag, that is compact. Okay, so you will
Okay, sir.
now see the difference. Difference इसलिए नहीं आया क्योंकि आपकी जो heading है वो short होनी चाहिए. ठीक है? If it is very short, then it will be applicable. So in place of ARPANET, I'm reducing the character of ARPANET. Now you will see the difference. If the heading is very short, then what happened? Look at here. here is, I am checking this. What is the problem here? Compact. Otherwise, what is the role of compact? It may be due to the browser problem. The heading and the definition will be in same line. ठीक है, अदरवाइज क्या हो रहा है कि टाइटल सेपरेट लाइन में आ रहा है और डेफिनेशन सेपरेट लाइन में आ रही है. But with the help of compact, the attribute both are displayed in same line, but this is applicable in case title is very short. So I'm checking what I think this is a browser problem, but still I am checking this. So there is no any difference in result. I will check this attribute. Okay, beta. So I am repeating. There are three type of list: order list, unordered list, and definition list. Unordered list UL. It has only one attribute, that is type. OL has two attributes, type and start, and OL, sorry, DL, that is definition list. It has only one attribute, that is compact. So this is all about the list. Now next is next topic is in the case of HTML, we can also create tables. So what is table? It is a collection of when data is collected in the shape of row and columns. This is called tables. So table is a organized way of presenting data. List is also a way to present data in a systematical way. The table is also a way to represent your data in a proper manners. So in the case of your list, in the case of your table, we use first attribute is table. Table tag start and table tag close. Inside this, we will use different tags. First tag is TR. It stands for table row. So it indicates that now the row start. Row is a horizontal way of representing the data, and columns are the vertical. So first we start TR, and in this TR we start TD. TD stands for table data. It is the first cell. I type here, suppose class, then I close TD, and again I start TD, number of students, then I close TD. I'm saving this file. Look at here. So data is displayed here, but there is no any outline. For showing the outline, there is one attribute of table tag that is called border. Border equal to, suppose I'm taking here 5. So look at here. So 2 different cells in a one row. Now, if I want to make another row, I will use here first, I will close the TR, previous row, and then I take here, I start the row again. Here in first TD, I take here class, suppose 8th, then TD, close. TD of all the rows must be same. Otherwise, you will get a table that is not according to your requirement. Then I take again TD. Number of students, suppose it is 145. Then I will close TR. I'm saving this file. Look at here. This is the second row. But in case, in place of TD, I'm taking here TH. So here I'm taking TH in place of TD. TH in place of TD. I'm saving this. And look at here, what will be the change? First of all, I'm giving here width of this table is, suppose it is 500. I'm saving this and look at here. I'm increasing the size. I'm taking here 800. Okay, width. Okay, student, what happened when I am using TH? The contents are bold and center aligned. So this is the main difference between TD and TH. In the case of TH, contents are center aligned and bold. But in the case of TD, text is left aligned and not in cap bold. Yes, there is a one doubt. Raghav.
सर कुछ वेबसाइट से ना टेक्स्ट कॉपी नहीं होता, तो उसकी सेटिंग कैसे होती है?
Beta, this is just a starting of your web development technology. ठीक है, आपने अभी HTML सीख रहे हो, but in future Azure web technology is very very vast. Syllabus is very vast. There are different languages out there. You can use, you can apply different features, but this is not with the help of only HTML. So in future, when you will learn different scripting languages, then you can apply this. Raghav, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So her time is over. So I'm now closing the meeting, and tomorrow I will continue with the table. So today we discussed table tag, TR tag, TD tag, TH tag. TH stand for table head. TD stand for table data. TR table row. So now I am going to close the meeting, and tomorrow we will continue with the same topic. Okay, beta students, take care. Bye. And tomorrow I will give you one test of chapter number 1. Okay, time will be near about 4:45. I will send the Google form link. Okay, students, take care. Bye.